Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. Today we're going to look at how to add an admin to a Facebook page. So first of all, you want to navigate to your Facebook account. Then in the top right-hand corner, click on your profile picture. Now you want to find the page that you want to add an admin to and click on that. From there, have a look on the left-hand side and you want to click on the bit that says Professional Dashboard. So from there, find the tab that says Page Access. So I'm going to click on that. And now you've got like a couple of options. So you could add someone with full access or you can add people with task access. So task access is like if you want someone to be a community manager that can moderate chat comments, suspend or remove people, or full access, they have access to the whole account, page deletion, messages and chats, things like that. So once you've decided which type of admin you want to add, you're going to click on Add New. And from there, just make sure all the permissions are correct. You're going to click on Next. And then it's going to ask you who should have task access to this page. So you want to find the name of the person you want to be admin, type in their name, and then you're going to click on their profile. And then from there, it's going to send them an email to give them admin access. You might be asked to add in your password again, just to make sure it's you giving this access. And from there, that person can become the new admin of your page. Hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.